Beautiful large 2-bedroom junior 4 in Forest Hills. 2 bathroom and 2 baths built in one. This is the entrance. There's 3 closets on the entrance. So one here. There's another deep closet. This is the living room, a large living room, beautiful hardwood floors, high ceiling, lots of light during the day. This is one of the bedrooms. You can fit a king size or queen size bed with a dresser. It comes 2 windows. And there's a closet here. This is the larger bedroom. You can fit a king size or queen size bed with a dresser. It comes with 2 closets. There's one here, another closet here. Beautiful kitchen, a lot of cabinets, a lot of corner space. And it comes with a dishwasher, microwave, windows in the kitchen. Lots of corner space. Bathroom all renovated, very clean. It's 2 in 1, meaning there's a stand-up shower here. And you have a full bathtub here. And there's a linen closet here. Beautiful apartment, elevator building, laundry in the building, doorman building. Few blocks, 1 block from the express train, ENF train, 71st Continental. And near the famous Austin Street. Apartment is very good price, gonna go very quick. If you wanna view it, call me or text me so we can schedule a viewing. Thanks for watching the video. Have a wonderful day.